For any triangle ABC, show that 2 times the sum of a sine squared c over 2 plus c sine squared a over 2 equals to c plus a minus b, which equals to 2 times s minus b. Okay, let us begin. Now, here we have the half-angle formula for sine a over 2, sine b over 2, and sine c over 2. A, b, and c represents the sides of the triangle, and s here is the semi-perimeter, which is defined by a plus b plus c, which is the perimeter of the triangle, divided by 2. Okay, that means 2s is going to be a plus b plus c. Now, we'll start with the first expression. So here we have 2 times a multiplied to sine squared c over 2. Sine squared c over 2 added to c times sine squared a over 2. Let's use the value. That gives us 2 times a multiplied to, so sine squared c over 2, that's going to be s minus a multiplied to s minus b divided by a b, added to c times s minus b multiplied to s minus c whole divided by b c. Now we can factor out a from the numerator and the denominator of the first term and c from the numerator and denominator of the second term. Now what we can do, we can take 2 times s minus b divided by b. This can be taken as a common factor from both the two terms within the parentheses, and that's going to leave us with s minus a added to s minus c. So this will be 2 times s minus b divided by b multiplied to 2 times s minus a minus c. Now 2 times s, that's a plus b plus c. We have 2 times s minus b over b multiplied to a plus b plus c minus a minus c. So here we can cancel out a and c. So that is only going to leave us with b, and this b is going to get factored out with the b in the denominator, leaving us with only 2 times s minus b. So here we have showed that 2 times a sine squared c over 2 plus c sine squared a over 2 equals to 2 times s minus b. Now we'll start with c plus a minus b. But that's an easy one. Also, c plus a minus b, this can be expressed as, so what we'll do, we'll add b. So we'll add c plus b plus a. Now that's an extra term we are adding, so we need to subtract b from it. This is going to leave us with negative 2b. Now c plus b plus a, that's 2 times s. So we have 2 times s minus 2 times b. Factoring out 2, we are left with s minus b. So we have shown as c plus a minus b, that's equals to 2 times s minus b as well. Now therefore, for any triangle ABC, it is true that the given expression is true. The given equation is true.